Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to subscribe down below and to give the video a big thumbs up. Oh! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. In case you're new here, please kindly don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share and subscribe of course. So today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and delicious recipe using our air fryer, or also you can use an oven of course, that's up to you. So here I have my spices. You can add the spices or you can make them less, that's up to you. And of course we have our chicken. So without further ado, let's start with this recipe. So today I have a special visitor here, my friend from Cameroon, but of course she's living in Belgium. She's gonna join me to make this delicious chicken. Nadia, please come.
Hello tout le monde, je m'appelle Nadia et je suis l'invitée de Rukia et ensemble on va préparer ce magnifique poulet braisé et je vous souhaite un bon visionnage. Bisous.
Okay, let's start with this recipe. Nadia? Come, let's do it. So we have our chicken here. We're going to use these spices. Nadia is going to help me to add the spices. So Nadia, 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Yeah. Before going further, wait a minute. I've forgotten that we have to cut it so that the spices can enter. Yeah. I've forgotten that first part.
Okay.
It's been a long time since I make YouTube videos, so that's why I'm forgetting. So bear with me. And then this one just a bit like, yeah. It's okay.
Okay.
And then you also need some black pepper. You just mix it. Both of them. Yeah. Yeah.
Salt.
Yeah, with some salt. On this side. You don't have to add a lot of spices, just a bit. Yeah, and then at the back too. You can add the paprika too a bit at the back here. And then soy sauce. Soy sauce like 1 tablespoon. Well, 1 to 2 tablespoons, it doesn't matter. 2 tablespoons is gonna be. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And then yogurt, 2 tablespoons too.
Why did you put yogurt?
I put yogurt so that the chicken can be soft. Okay. Yeah, it's tenderized the meat. You can use it in the chicken or in the meat. Right. It makes the meat more softer. Yeah. And then you can also add the tomato paste. The tomato paste is just to add a layer to the chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, all. Yeah, thank you. So we've used all the spices, then you're going to let it to sit for 30 minutes so that the spices can able to marinate into the chicken. Yeah. After 30 minutes, we're going to bake our chicken. You can use an air fryer or you can use an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes to 1 hour. So we just prepared our chicken, so the next thing that we're going to do is to cut our potatoes because we're going to make some fries.
Ma chérie, tu dois un peu tout. Yeah. See? Yeah.
So our fries are ready, as you can see in the video. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt so that I don't have to put salt later, so that the fries can able to bake in very well with the salt. Like I prefer to put salt before I bake my fries. Meanwhile, my deep fryer is ready and hot, so I'm going to fry my fries for 5 minutes until my fries they become crunchy and golden brown, or the color that you desire. And after 5 minutes, or once my fries have become golden brown and crunchy like this, our fries are ready. I prefer my fries to have this amazing golden brown. And as you can see, my chicken too is ready. It looks a bit burnt, but it's not burnt. It looks crunchy on the top, and then inside it's super juicy. Oh yes, this is how I like my chicken to be. Like, this chicken is incredible, delicious. I'm gonna serve myself first, then Nadia will come and serve herself too.
How does it taste, my chérie? C'est super bon.
Merci.
Thank you. It's too good.
You're welcome. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up, share, and please subscribe. And see you next time.
Bye.